Hello everyone, my name is Aishwarya and my today's topic is the body cavities. Let's assume that let's assume that our body is the complex house which is made up of the number of the rooms for the specified functions is called as the body cavities. Body cavities are there are the two types of the body cavities, that is the ventral and the dorsal body cavities. Let's talk about the dorsal body cavities. The dorsal body cavities contains the cranial cavity and the spinal cavity. It is the backside of our body. Into the cranial cavity the skull is present and the brain is the vital organ is present, which is protected by that of the cranial cavity. After that, below that there is the spinal cavity. The spinal cord is protected into the vertebral column, and there is the cavity present. This is called as the spinal cavity. Then there is the front is the in front body. There is the ventral cavity is present. Into the ventral cavity there are the two regions, that is the thoracic region and the abdominopelvic region. Both are separated by the diaphragm of the lungs. Now um, into the um into the thoracic cavity there is the chest and the are the present, and chest and the lungs present, that is the chest cavity. And into the abdominal pelvic cavity there are the two regions, that is the abdominal cavity and the pelvic cavity. Let's talk about the thoracic cavity. Into the thoracic cavity there is the into the thoracic cavity there is the presence of the into the thoracic cavity there is presence of the vital organs, that is the lungs, heart, esophagus, trachea. All of they are present into the cavity. Also after that, after below the diaphragm there is the abdominopelvic cavity. Into the abdominal cavity the liver, spleen, small intestine, large intestine, stomach, kidneys all are present. Into the pelvic cavity, below that there is the pelvic cavity. Into the pelvic cavity uterus, urinary bladder, reproductive parts of the both female and the male, that is the fallopian tube, ovary, urethra, anus. Also the vast difference and the male penis and testes, and all the seminal vesicle and other parts of the male reproductive system all are present into the pelvic cavity. So these are the cavities present into the human body. So what is the main function of these cavities? They are perform the three main function, that is the protection, organization, and the support. Let's talk about the protection. They protect our delicate vital organs, act as a shock absorber and external pressure or the force from that they protect our vital organs. Also they support and organize our organs in proper position and organization. These are the function of these cavities. So there is the membranous cavity. The membranous there is the serous membrane is present, which is present into the inner lining of the body cavities, and this secrete the serous fluid. This serous fluid is important for the organization and the position of the cavity. Also it helps to provide the provide the nutrition to the vital organs. For example, into the skull there are there are the skull. Our brain is protected by the dura mater, pia mater, arachnoid matter. Into the subarachnoid space there is the cerebrospinal fluid, and into the different types of the fluid are the present, and these fluids help for the nutrition, oxygen, provide and also protect the brain. Also into the our also in our uh, also in our lungs there is the fluid present, uh, which is important for the protection of them. So this is the importance of the body cavities, which is vital for our body, our survival, and our or vital organs, vital organs efficient function. It's all about my topic. Thank you.